My favorite part of working with Room to Room is to help people out, getting to meet new people every day, and really just make a difference in people's lives, whether it's moving boxes or helping out the food pantry.
Here at the Campus Food Pantry, we work in collaboration with other partners to be able to provide food and pantry items to current Auburn University students who are experiencing food insecurity.